Good morning, students. Welcome to Jupiter online class. So today we will discuss some important topic of application of derivatives, that is tangent and normal. Before coming to our topic, first we have to know what is tangent and normal. कहले देखिया tangent टा कौन? Tangent, सुनो टिके समझते, tangent is a line which touch the curve at one point. लक्ष्य करता से कर्व को गोटे पॉइंट रे छेद करूथिबो. Again, normal टा भी कौन? Normal is also a line and which is perpendicular to the tangent. Tangent को से line टा perpendicular. ताकू हमें कौन कहती ना normal. एबे देखा एबे हमर कौन application of derivative रे यूज होबो. हमें मूलरू पढ़ी थिले what is the geometrical interpretation of derivative at a point. हम तुमको आगुरु भी कहिथिले. This is known as slope of the tangent. All of you see the tangent and normal. Here you see this is the curve. This is the curve y which is equal to fx. A line which touch the curve at the point P, whose coordinate is x1 and y1, and that line is known as what? Tangent. So we have to find slope of the tangent at the point P, x1 and y1. आमे समझते पढ़ी चंदी. What is the application or geometrical meaning of derivative? dy by dx टा कौन? ना slope of the tangent. All of you see here, and this is y equal to fx, be a continuous curve. All of you see slope of tangent. Let y equal to fx be a continuous curve. It is a continuous curve day, and P x1 comma y1 be a point on it. So we know that dy by dx at the point x1 y1 मन रखिथिबो सही point रे x1 y1 is equal to what? Slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to f of x at the point p x1 y1. और आको हमें आउ कोन भी कहंती dy by dx at the point x1 y1 which is equal to what? Tan theta. Slope जेते बड़े बाहर करिबा tangent हो किंबा normal हो, always this value is tan theta. Tan theta which is equal to slope of the tangent at x1 and y1. Here that theta, here this theta is the angle which the tangent makes with the positive direction of what? X-axis. Here you see positive direction of x-axis. ताहले हमें जानिले कौन? Slope of the tangent at the point x1 and y1 कौन? ना dy by dx at the point x1 y1 which is equal to what? This also equal to tan theta. Okay. Next, a very important note. Here you see if the tangent is parallel to x-axis. Here you see all of you. If a tangent which is parallel to x-axis, जदि x-axis सहित parallel हैला, then theta टा हमरो कौन है जीवो 0 degree. So tan 0 degree which is equal to what? 0 है गला. लक्ष्य करो. आमे dy by dx which is equal to tan theta. जदि एबे tangent is parallel to x-axis, so theta टा 0 degree है गला. tan 0 degree रो value केते ना 0. ताले what then एटी हमें कौन पाइबा? Here you see. So dy by dx at the point x1 y1 which is equal to what? 0, because this equal to tan theta. Very important note here. Here you see dy by dx at the point x1 and y1 which is equal to what? 0. केते बड़े 0 हुए? If the tangent is parallel to x-axis. एबे टिके देखो समझते, if the tangent is perpendicular to, here you see the diagram, all of you. Second bit, all of you see the diagram. X, this one be x dash, O is the origin, y and y dash. Here you see here the tangent is what? Here tangent is parallel to x axis. Next is tangent is perpendicular to x axis केमती होउची. देखो एबे टिके समस्ते आमे केमती देखिबा जे गोटे टांजेंट केमती हमर परपेंडिकुलर होउची जेमते एठी पैरेलल हैला सेमते आमे देखिबा एटा परपेंडिकुलर टू एक्स एक्सिस ले कोन आछी देखो एबे धर कर्व टाको मु एई टाइप रो कर देली दिस इज y व्हिच इज इक्वल टू fx हियर यू सी ऑल ऑफ यू देखा सदाबले लक्ष्य करूथबो इफ ए tangent is parallel to x axis so automatically it is perpendicular to y axis हमें भी सेटा भी करि परिबा सेमते एठी देखो देखो एठी tangent टा रहिला a tangent this is the point of contact and whose coordinate is what x1 y1 here you write the tangent okay second bit here you write if the tangent is perpendicular to x axis here you see then dy by dx at the point x1 y1 which is equal to all of you see this equal to what tan theta here theta is what 90 degree मन रखि थाओ पैरेलल बेले 0 डिग्री आस्तुला बट ए केस रे कोन आसिला 90 डिग्री here theta is equal to what 90 degree so you can write this as a dy by dx at the point x1 y1 which is equal to we know that tan 90 degree is undefined but cot 90 degree is equal to what cot 90 degree is 0 so instead of tan 90 degree हमें कौन लिखी परिबा 1 divided by cot 90 degree एबे देखो आकु जदी हमें आरो रेसिप्रोकल नै जिबा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रे so automatically dx by dy at the point x1 y1 which is equal to what cot 90 degree हमें रेसिप्रोकल नहीं गले एबे देखो समझते ताला में एठी कोन पाइले dx by dy at the point x1 and y1 which is equal to 0 एउडा को सबु जाको भलो भाबरे टिके मने रखिबो very important part here you see if a tangent is parallel to x axis then dy by dx at the point x1 y1 equal to 0 but if the tangent is perpendicular to x axis then dx by dy at the point x1 y1 which is equal to what 0 all of you see here next is slope of normal all of you see next we have to find slope of normal हमें जानिले slope of tangent एबे देखो next we have to find the slope of normal here you see the diagram all of you see the diagram all of you here you see this is the curve y equal to f of x this one x dash o y dash so y is equal to fx this is a continuous curve and p x1 comma y1 be a point on it here this one be the tangent this one be the tangent we know that all of you see we know that normal is a line which is passes through the point p x1 comma y1 and perpendicular to kaha pare tangent so here you see all of you suppose this is the tangent this is normal okay here you see normal is a line which is passing through a point p x1 comma y1 and is perpendicular here this is the symbol of perpendicular here you see perpendicular to the tangent okay all of you know देख ये नॉर्मल टा भी गोटे लाइन रे सी कहा दे कि पास करिछि द पॉइंट p x1 y1 and which is perpendicular to the tangent. We know that if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then product of their slope which is equal to -1. आको हमें पढ़िथिले 2 dimension रे ताले here you see all of you. So slope of tangent at x1 y1 देखा ये पॉइंट टा निश्चिंत दरकार इनटू स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल at x1 y1 which is equal to what? -1. We know that if two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slope which is equal to -1. So here we can write this as a slope of normal at the point x1 y1. निश्चित भाव गोटे point of contact रही and that point of contact is what? x1 y1 which is equal to what? -1 divided by slope of tangent at x1 y1, or we can write this as a slope of normal at x1 y1 which is equal to -1 divided by all of you see slope of tangent at x1 y1 kete dy by dx at the point x1 y1 all of you see x1 y1, or we can write this as a ताको हमें आउ कोन लिखि परिबा देखो minus of dx divided by dy at the point what x1 y1. All of you see slope of normal is what? -1 by dy by dx at the point x1 y1 which is also you can write this as a minus dx by dy at the point x1 y1 which is also equal to tan theta. मन रखी था सब बेले स्लोप इज ऑलवेज tan theta. एटा सदा बेले आइदर एटा टेंजेंट हो किबा नॉर्मल हो ऑलवेज दैट स्लोप इज व्हाट tan theta. हला ए जिंस गुडा टिके मन रखुथु तापर लक्ष्य कर इंपोर्टेंट नोट किछि नोट 1 very important one. If here you see if normal is parallel to x axis, all of you see normal is parallel to x axis. See the diagram all of you. X, this one x dash, O is the origin, y dash. Here you see this is the curve, y is equal to fx be a continuous curve. Here you see normal is what? Parallel to x axis. That means this is the tangent and this line be the normal. All of you see this line be the normal and this is the point of contact whose coordinate is x1 y1. Here you see that normal which is parallel to what? X axis. All of you see if the normal is parallel to x axis then what will be the value of theta? Theta is equal to what? 0 degree. Here you see if theta equal to 0 degree then tan 0 degree which is equal to 0. ताला हमें इठी कोण पाइले देखिलो minus dx by dy at the point x1 y1 which is equal to what? 0. सेही जिंसटा टिके मने रखुथिबो then देखो minus dx by dy at the point x1 y1 which is equal to 0, or we can write this as a आको आउ कोण लिखि परिबा ना dx by dy at the point x1 y1 which is equal to 0. This is a very important part dear. आको मन रखिबो आमे क्वेश्चन कोला बेले ए फॉर्मेट रे आमे जिबा नॉर्मल इज पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस. कोन फार्मूला dx by dy at the point x1 y1 which is equal to 0. Next step is second note. Second note, if normal is perpendicular to x axis, then all of you see, here you see, if normal is parallel to x axis, then it is perpendicular kaha upare rahuchi se eka katha perpendicular to y axis. Same case here, draw the diagram. X, here this one x dash, O, y and y dash, all of you see. Normal is perpendicular to x axis. Here you see the curve. This is y is equal to fx, is a continuous curve. No doubt this is the tangent which touch the curve at one point. Here you see the normal. Normal which is perpendicular to x axis. If normal is perpendicular to x axis, then it is parallel to which axis? Y axis. And that point is P is the point of contact, x1 comma y1. Here you see, then all of you see this one. We know that then minus 1 divided by dy by dx at the point x1 y1, which is equal to, all of you see, slope of the normal at the point x1 y1, which is equal to what? Minus 1 divided by dy by dx at the point x1 y1. किंबा ताको हमें कौन लिखि पारथुले माइनस dx by dy at the point x1 y1 हमें लिखि परिबा. But here you see, if the normal is perpendicular to x axis, then what will be the value of theta? ताले theta रो value टा केते हबो? Theta is equal to 90 degree. Here you see, this is tan 90 degree. But we know that tan 90 degree is not defined. जदि एटा को मु डिफाइन करि परिबिनी, सो ये कन्वर्टेड, देखो आको मु कोठी की कन्वर्ट कर देली. इंस्टेड ऑफ tan 90 degree we can write this as a 1 by cot 90 degree, or we can write this as a, all of you see, then its reciprocal which is equal to what? Minus dy by dx at the point x1 y1, which is equal to what? Cot 90 degree. All of you see, this is cot 90 degree. Then here you see minus dy by dx at the point x1 y1 is equal to, this value cot 90 degree is equal to 0. ताले एबे देखो, और ए स्टेप रे रखि पारो, किंबा तुम जदि आ गोटे स्टेप एठी बढ़ैलो dy by dx at the point x1 y1 which is equal to 0. देखो ये कंडीशन गुडा को वेरी वेरी इंपोर्टेंट वन. जो कथा हमें पढ़िले एठी हमें देखो, फास्ट हमें पढ़ले स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट. कौन स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट? dy by dx at the point x1 y1. नेक्स्ट नोट रे पढ़िले, इफ द टेंजेंट इज पैरेलल टू x axis, then dy by dx at the point x1 y1 equal to 0. जदि सेटा हे गला टेंजेंट इज परपेंडिकुलर टू x axis, जस्ट उल्टी गला dx by dy at the point x1 y1 equal to 0. नेक्स्ट आसिला हमें स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल पढ़िले. स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल कौन? Slope of the normal at the point x1 y1 which is equal to what? Minus 1 divided by dy by dx at the point x1 y1, or we can write this as a minus dx by dy at the point x1 y1. Okay, slope of tangent is also equal to tan theta, slope of normal is also equal to tan theta. एइथरे भी हमें दीटा कंडीशन पाइले. फर्स्ट कंडीशन, इफ द नॉर्मल इज व्हाट? पैरेलल टू x axis, ताले सेठी हमें कंडीशन टा कोन पाइतिले? माइनस dx by dy at the point x1 y1 equal to 0, और ताको हमें कहि परिबा dx by dy at the point x1 y1 equal to 0. सेकेंड केस रे नॉर्मल इज परपेंडिकुलर टू x axis, ताले हमें एठी कंडीशन कोन पाइले? dy by dx at the point x1 y1 which is equal to what? 0. Next we have to find the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal at the point x1 y1. All of you see, equation equation of the tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to fx at the point x1 y1. All of you see that x1 y1 be the point of contact of the curve and tangent and also the normal. First we have to find equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to f of x at the point x1 y1. All of you see, here you see, all of you, this is a curve, and this one here you see, all of you, this one be the tangent. All of you see, this is the tangent. Y which is equal to fx be a continuous curve and p x1 comma y1 be a point on it. Here you see, all of you, tangent is a line. All of you see, tangent is a line. We know that we know that equation of a line passing through a point x1 y1 having slope equal to m. ताले से equation of line टा कौन थिला मन पकेलो हमें पढ़ी थिले 2 dimension रे कौन थिला सीधा y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. m टा हला slope करथुले y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Same case here. Tangent is a line which passes through the point x1 y1, and what will be the slope of the tangent? We know slope of the tangent is kete na dy by dx at the point x1 y1. Here you see equation of the tangent at x1 comma y1 is, here you see the equation, y minus y1. This is also a line, y minus y1 which is equal to m. M is slope of the tangent. Here you write slope of tangent at x1 comma y1 into x minus x1. मन रखिबा फॉर्मूला को आपको बेस करी हमें क्वेश्चन करबा. Next, here you see y minus y1 which is equal to what? Slope of the tangent at x1 y1 is what? Dy by dx at the point x1 y1 into x minus x1. बुझी पारला समझते ताहले जदि हमको गोटे कर्व टे देइथिबो ताहले आउ गोटे पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट देइथिबो ताहले हमें आगे कोनटा काढिबा. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड द स्लोप ऑफ द टैंजेंट. आगे हमें dy by dx काढिबा तापर हमर से जो पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट रे हमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करले स्लोप ऑफ द टैंजेंट पाइबा. पॉइंट तो हमको दिया हिथिबो x1 और y1 रे, जदि न दिया हिची ताल ताको हमें बाहर करिबा तापर आनिकरी इक्वेशन रे पुट करिबा. हियर यू सी, ऑल ऑफ यू, इफ दिस वन बी द टैंजेंट, हियर यू सी this line be the what? Normal. So normal is perpendicular to the tangent. All of you know ताको हमें समझते जानी चंदी. एबे देखो ताले tangent भी, again tangent is a line which is passes through the point x1 y1 and having slope. तार स्लोप टा केते भी ता भी हमें जानी चंदी. स्लोप ऑफ द नॉर्मल एट द पॉइंट x1 y1 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? -1 डिवाइडेड बाय dy by dx एट द पॉइंट x1 y1 लिखि पारो किबा माइनस dx by dy एट द पॉइंट x1 y1 भी लिखि पारिबा. एबे देखो नेक्स्ट सेकंड रे इक्वेशन ऑफ द नॉर्मल एट x1 comma y1 is, here you see same case, this is also a line, y minus y1 is equal to m. M is the slope, so here we can write this as a slope of normal, but here this one is slope of tangent, but this one is slope of normal at x1 y1 into x minus x1, or we can write this as a y minus y1 which is equal to -1. देखो you know that slope of the normal at x1 y1 तुम्हें समझते जानी छो -1 divided by what? dy by dx at the point x1 y1 into x minus x1 or we can write this as a जगह रे तमे कौन लिखि पारि थांदो माइनस dx by dy भी आमे लिखि पारि थांदे मन रखि थाओ एटा भी लिखि परिबा किंबा y minus y1 is equal to minus dx by dy at the point x1 y1 into x minus x1. This is the equation of the normal at the point x1 comma y1. बुझी पारले एबे समस्ते देख एटी गोटे मु इंपोर्टेंट नोट कहबी. दिस इज द वेरी वेरी इंपोर्टेंट हियर. ऑल ऑफ यू सी दिस नोट. देख ए नोट को लक्ष्य कर. एबे देख सपोज dy by dx at the point x1 y1 is equal to 0. ताले कोनटा हमें पाइबा कहिलो व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ टैंजेंट देन. ताले इक्वेशन ऑफ टैंजेंट इज व्हाट y minus y1 which is equal to हमें 0 पाई जिबा. लक्ष्य करथुबो y minus y1 is equal to 0. ताले y equal to y1 जदि y equal to y1 so automatically it is an horizontal line. सेतरे हमें गोटे horizontal line पाइबा. से लाइन टा हमें कहि परिबा कोन बोली ना टैंजेंट बोली. हियर यू सी ऑल ऑफ यू if dy by dx at the point x1 y1 equal to 0 ताले एटा 1 by 0 हो जिवो. देखला को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइड कर देले ए पार्ट टा 0 हो गला. कोन रहिला x minus x1 equal to 0. here you write the important step. if dy by dx at the point x1 y1 which is equal to 0 then first bit here you see equation of tangent at x1 y1 is all of you see this value is equal to 0. जब right hand side टा 0 ही गला ताले y minus y1 equal to 0 which implies y equal to y1. very important. आको मन रखिबो आमे क्वेश्चन कला बेले दरकार पड़िबो y equal to y1. so automatically this is an horizontal line. सेही horizontal line टा को आमे एठी कहबा tangent. next second रे देखो ताले what will be the equation of normal. equation of normal at x1 y1 is all of you see ए जिनसटा तुम टिके मन रखिथिबो. देख एई पार्ट टा हमरो 0 हला ताले आकु आ ए जो y minus 1 को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देले हे गला 0. ताले आ कोन बढिला माइनस ऑफ x minus x1 equal to 0. ताले हम एथरु कोन पाइबा x minus x1 which is equal to 0. मन रखिथिबो सेटा x minus x1 which is equal to 0. so x which is equal to x1 so this is a key line. एटा गोटे vertical line टे से vertical line टा को हमें कोन बोली कहिबा ना normal कहिबा. कोन बुझी पारला समस्ते. देखो आज हमें कोन पढिले फार्मूला गुडा को टिके मन रखिबो. मन रखिले हमें नेक्स्ट क्लास बेले को जतले क्वेश्चन करिबा तुमको सुविधा हो. देखो फर्स्ट रे स्लोप ऑफ टैंजेंट कोन slope of tangent at the point x1 y1. that means first you have to find point of contact. देखो कर्व आ tangent हो कि normal हो ये जो point of contact आगे दरकार हमको. जदि क्वेश्चन न देइथिबो ताल ताको हमें बाहर करिवा. जदि देई देछि तो भलो कथा. ताले हमें जानि छथि कोन slope of the tangent at x1 y1 is what dy by dx at the point x1 y1. ताले हमें dy by dx टा कोथरु काढिबा से कर्व को जदि हमें डेरिवेटिव करि दबा सेथरु हमें dy by dx पाइबा. तापरे हमें पॉइंट रे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देले स्लोप ऑफ टैंजेंट पाइले. स्लोप ऑफ टैंजेंट पाइले हमें इक्वेशन ऑफ टैंजेंट बाहर करि परिबा. सेही बलिया स्लोप ऑफ टैंजेंट पाइले स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल बाहर करि परिबा. स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल बाहर कले इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल भी बाहर करि परिबा. तो सेति में हमको सबु जाक फार्मूला को भलो भाबरे मन रखिथिबो सो दैट तुमको क्वेश्चन जेतबेले हमें नेक्स्ट क्लास रे करिबा समस्त को सहज लागिबो. देख गणिला भलिया चारिटा फास्ट स्लोप ऑफ टैंजेंट नोट रे दीटा तीनटा फार्मूला. स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल कोन तापरे नोट रे दीटा फार्मूला 3 3 6. तापरे असला इक्वेशन ऑफ टैंजेंट इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल एट द पॉइंट x1 y1 8टा एबे देख तापर जदि dy बाय dx टा 0 हैला एठी मु 2टा पॉइंट पाइली समुदाय 10टा फार्मूला जदि आमे मन रखिबा ताले ए एक्सरसाइज रो मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन आमे सॉल्व कर दे परिबा हैला। सो नेक्स्ट क्लास रे मु किछि तम एक्सरसाइज रो किछि क्वेश्चन करिवि दबा भलो भारे बुझी परिबे। बुझी हला समस्ते। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।